Moving on, President Ruto says that the current social security infrastructure in the country, including the National Social Security Fund (NSSF) and private savings schemes, only cater to people in formal employment, leaving out a bulk of Kenyans in the informal sector. The head of state said his administration intends to overhaul the social security infrastructure to make it more inclusive.
In many countries, social security, and particularly pension systems, contributes significantly to the national savings. Our current social security infrastructure, both public, that is the NSSF, and private, only cater for people in formal employment, thereby excluding the vast majority of working Kenyans. There is no retired Kenyan today who is living on their NSSF retirement benefits. The meager current contribution of Kenya shillings 200 a month adds up to 72,000 over 30 years. There is no rate of return on earth that can grow this into an adequate pension. I mean, we just have to be honest with ourselves.